back to another video. Today we're going to be doing fastest engine competition. So competing in today's challenge we have Spencer, next we have Emily, then we have James, next we have Thomas, and then Percy, and finally Ben. Now we're going to see who's the fastest. First we have Spencer. Let's see how much time it takes him to go around the layout. In 3, 2, 1, go. And it took Spencer a time of 12 seconds and 45 milliseconds. Next, we have Emily. Let's put her on the track. Next, we have Emily. In 3, 2, 1, go. And Emily has a time of 13 seconds and 32 milliseconds. Next, we have James on the track. In 3, 2, 1, go. And James has a time of 9 seconds and 85 milliseconds. Next, we have Thomas. In 3, 2, 1, go. And Thomas has a time of 10 seconds and 11 milliseconds. Next, we have Percy. Now we have Percy on the track, and we're going to see how fast he can go. In 3, 2, 1, go. And Percy has a time of 12 seconds and 16 milliseconds. Next, we have Ben. Now we have Ben on the tracks, and we're going to see how fast he can go. In 3, 2, 1. And Ben has a time of 21 seconds and 29 milliseconds. That seems very long, but Ben likes to go fast at times, and he likes to go slow at times. He likes to go slow, and then he likes to go fast. So that wasn't me making him go slow or fast because I want Ben to lose or Percy to win or something. That was just because Ben decides to go slow at times and he decides to go fast at times. So let's see who won. So after reading all their times, we have James in first with 9 seconds and 85 milliseconds, Thomas in second with 10 seconds and 11 milliseconds, Percy in third with 12 seconds and 16 milliseconds, Spencer in fourth with 12 seconds and 45 milliseconds, Emily in fifth with 13 milliseconds and 32 milliseconds, and then Ben in last with 21 seconds and 29 milliseconds. So there you have it. We all know that James, Thomas, and Percy are the top 3 fastest engines for this video. These are the number 1, number 2, and number 3 placed engines. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.